hopefully not another short one, but okay, so the other one was really short. This is part 6, continued, of Telepathy. Many artists and musicians have commented that they have woken up one day from an intense dream filled with musical or artistic inspiration and felt compelled to follow into manifestation, but not knowing exactly where it was coming from and why. This telepathic transmission is not mental to mental, but an emotional sensory experience that was transmitted into the cells through sound and color waves, which then evolved into the co-creation of a beautiful painting or artistic musical piece. Cellular telepathy is a natural feature of the human light body which activates and becomes stronger when the soul layers are healed, unified, and connected within the physical vehicle, or when the sounds when the soul is able to when the soul is able to become fully embodied. The soul matrix is the first spiritual triad where a human being starts the process of spiritual awakening, and the 3 layers interact together to form a platform for synthesizing the mental intelligences, which is referred to as a horizontal triad body. When these 3 bodies are integrated and merged horizontally through light body activation, the mental aspects of the Trinity activate new sensory perception functions. When those bodies unify, cellular telepathy and the ability to read energy signatures increases, activating the nadial structures and energy receives that act as the main blueprint to our central nervous system and neural networks. One way to interfere with the DNA signals and damage natural cellular telepathy in the human body is by targeting the solar plexus area and assaulting the digestive system, which acts as the second brain to process energies for the body. When our neural networks are damaged, assaulted by ELFs, extremely low frequencies, poisoned by toxins, or are being controlled by synthetic chemical substances, it interferes with our cellular telepathy and direct knowing abilities. The enteric nervous system is a collection of multiple millions of neurons that form an electrical receiver mesh in the midsection and exist through the entire digestive tract, stomach, and intestinal lining. See, like those gut feelings, you know what I mean? Like, it's a thing. It's really a thing. Also, where trauma builds up is what I wrote, and attacks as well. This electrical mesh is filled with neurons that act as our second brain, picking up signals that allow us to process and filter energies that we are being exposed to in our environment, and to intuitively feel emotions and process sensory experiences that help us to assess our surroundings. When the ENS is functioning well, it supports the proper combination and distribution at neurotransmitters that fire into the same circuitry as the neural network of our brain. When our brain circuitry is properly connected to our gut circuitry for sustaining healthy functioning, our brain waves are more coherent, while the neurotransmitter functions stabilize moods, offering a greater sense of personal well-being. The ENS is what gives rise to those sensations and emotional feelings in your gut, bringing on intuition, awareness, and even butterflies.